all them niggas I used to roll with. I know you used to see me with niggas, but that's that old shit. Real nigga, quick to pull a fucking trigger. Fat niggas definition of a real nigga.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day, being safe. So, it is actually April 21st, and it's still snowing. Don't know what the weather's doing today, but who knows. Anyways, we got this Cork Sport box. I already know what's in here. It'll say up here. Shifter bushing set, crankshaft pulley, rear motor mount, transmission mount. So all that's in my box. I don't have the car currently, so it's at the shop because I got hit while I was at the bank the other day. So I'm going to be putting a video of that I recorded on my phone in the video. And so I actually have a rental car in the meantime, which is a Jetta, a 2019 Jetta that I got rocking outside. As you see all these pieces. This is from my Mazda. I already put that video up on all that. But I got all these pieces here, painted them all black. I got my headliner over there, that's all black as well. So I'm currently waiting to pick up my Mazda tomorrow, hopefully, and then bring this back, put all these interior pieces on, and then start getting forward on these parts.
Sorry, bud. I certainly didn't do it. I was trying to turn in.
My poor car. Front end is done. Oh, they got the parts already in. Oh, they put stock ones back on. Never mind. What am I saying? At least it's nice to have my car back. Alright, time to go inside. Get all the paperwork done for this wonderful Volkswagen. Get back to my Mazda. Put all my junk in there. And then get back to driving my nice little fun sporty car. Hi, boy. Come on. Let's go. What? Axel's just chilling on my chair. Hey, fluffy dog. Hello. Anyways, this is my Cork Sport box, so I'm going to go get my camera set up on a tripod and start unboxing it from there. So what I got inside the box is, again, the shifter bushing set, because I have a manual car, the crankshaft pulley, rear motor mount, and also the transmission motor mount. So I've been hearing good reviews, so I decided to pick some up, plus had some extra money after college. So opening this up for the first time, it doesn't, like, it seems alright packaged. I guess this isn't that important because it's the shifter bushings. Yeah, I guess they're just kind of small pieces of rubber. So I guess that doesn't really matter. Cool little tin though. It's kind of cool. That's not bad. So I'll probably install that. Probably not in the video, but I'll do that on the side. See how it feels. A bunch of packaging. Just talks about the return policy, disclaimer, warranties. Tells me all the stuff that I bought. So, total of $600 US, which is like $1,000 Canadian. At least that's what I got billed for. Then you've got, I believe, oh, so this is the transmission motor mount. So that's gonna be cool to install that. Pretty heavy, surprisingly. I'm guessing this is lighter than the factory one, I'm not too sure, so I don't know. I've been hearing good reviews, decided to purchase those. Not exactly sure what these metal plates are for, but I'll find out eventually. Next up in the box is, what is this? Doesn't really say. Get this box out of the way. This is the rear motor mount. Okay, so I see a bunch of reviews on these, so 3 330. Don't know what that means, but overall these qualities seems pretty good. Open up all these. Damn, this is a big boy. So what I've heard about these reviews is that these actually stiffen your engine, which also makes the car shake a little bit more, but I don't really care because I'm going to be doing some cams and a tune on my car, so this is always helpful to keep everything from shaking out of place. Definitely glad to have these pieces coming in. Open up this other package since it's also a motor / transmission mount. Like it that they match this blue color scheme, which is always nice because that's the colors. Pretty happy with it. What's this last thing again? The pulley. Tank pulley. Let's get that bad boy open. So apparently this is a fair bit lighter than the OEM one because the other one is metal, and this I'm guessing is aluminum. Overall the quality is really nice. No dings or anything on it, so that's good. Just gonna finish up the video. So overall, all these parts are pretty nice. Gonna put these on hopefully next week. Damn, $1,000. I can't even see the majority of these. Damn. There. Goodness. Cork Sport. Pulley. Rear transmission mount. And then this is the rear motor mount. So, I'm gonna get all these installed ASAP. So I can put some power into my car finally because we're slow as shit. Yeah. Got my little dog chilling over here. Yeah. So sad. Got my other dog. Hey, so this is the end of the video. I just woke up. It's actually the next morning. Nice and sunny out. Got my car back. It looks a little funky because the paint was different. You can actually see that. Yeah. So anyways, it's the next morning. Woke up. Totally forgot to do an outro. So yeah, if you could comment, like, subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I also taped a video for the transmission mount and also motor mount as well. And that video should be up hopefully next week, as long as I actually get on time for editing the videos and everything. But yeah, anyways, if you could comment, like, subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.